Now question number 10. If y is equal to f of x is the solution of 2 plus sin x by y plus 1 into dy by dx plus cos x is equal to 0. With y of 0 is equal to 1, then y of pi by 2 is equals to. So the given differential equation is 2 plus sin x by y plus 1 into dy by dx is equal to minus cos x. So 1 by y plus 1 into dy is equal to minus cos x into dx by 2 plus sin x. Now applying integration on both sides with respect to x. This is log of y plus 1 is equal to minus this is of the form f dash x by fx. Since derivative of 2 is 0, sin x derivative is cos x. So minus log mod 2 plus sin x plus log c. So now this is y plus 1 into 2 plus sin x is equal to c. Given y of 0 is equal to 1. That means when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2 into 2 plus sin 0 is 0 is equal to c. So that implies c is equal to 4. Therefore, y plus 1 into 2 plus sin x is equal to 4 is the solution. But here y of pi by 2. What is the value of y of pi by 2 on that? Y of pi by 2. That means what is the value of y when x is equal to pi by 2? So that implies y plus 1 into 2 plus sin 90 is 1 is equal to 4. Y plus 1 is equal to 4 by 3. Y is equal to 4 by 3 minus 1. Now taking LCM is y is equal to 1 by 3 is the answer. Question number 11. If dy by dx is equal to y plus 3 is greater than 0 and y of 0 is equal to 2, then y into log 2 is. First of all, we integrate this one, dy by y plus 3 is equal to dx. Now applying integration on both sides, log mod y plus 3 is equal to x plus log c. Given y of 0 is equal to 2. That means when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. So that's why log 2 plus 3 is equal to 0 plus log c. So that implies c is equal to 5. So therefore log of y plus 3 is equal to log e to the power of x plus log 5. Now this can be written as y plus 3 is equal to e to the power x 5 into e to the power of x. Now y of log 2 is, when x is equal to 2, what is the value of y? So that is y of log 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 into e to the power of log 2. That means y into log 2 is equal to plus 3 is equal to 10. So y into log 2 is equal to 7 is the answer. Question number 12. Solution of dy by dx is equal to x plus y by x satisfying the condition y of 1 is equal to 1 is. So the given differential equation is dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y by x. This can be written as dy by dx minus 1 by x into y is equal to 1. Now this is a linear differential equation in x. So that's why we find the integrating factor is e to the power integral minus 1 by x dx. That is equal to 1 by x. Now the solution is y by x is equal to integral 1 by x into 1 dx. Y by x is equal to log x plus log c. Now y is equal to x log x plus cx. Given y of 1 is equal to 1. That means when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 0 plus c. C is equal to 1. So therefore y is equal to x log x plus x, which is the required solution of the given differential equation. Question number 13. Solution of 2y by 1 plus y square dy is equal to dx by x. Here we are applying integration on both sides. 2y by 1 plus y square dy is equal to integral 1 by x into dx. Now this is of the form f dash x by fx. So log mod fx 1 plus y square is equal to log mod x plus log c. 1 plus y square is equal to cx is the required solution. Number 14. The differential equation of all circles passing through the origin and having their centers on the x-axis is. So that's why the equations, this is the coordinate axis, this is origin. The equation of the circles passing through origin and having their center on x-axis. That means this is the circles which passes through origin and centers lies on x-axis. So the equation of the circle which passes through origin and having center on the x-axis is equation of circle passing through origin and having center on x-axis is x square plus y square plus 2gx is equal to 0. Since the circle passes through origin, C is 0 and the center lies on x-axis, y coordinate is 0. So that's why this is the required equation of the circle which passes through origin and having center on x-axis. Now applying the derivative on both sides with respect to x. Derivative of x square is 2x plus 2y into dy by dx plus 2g is equal to 0. Now 2 is cancelled. G is equal to x plus minus x minus y into dy by dx. So therefore this is 1. Therefore 1 implies x square plus y square plus 2x into g means minus x minus y into dy by dx is equal to 0. Now x square minus x square plus y square means y square minus 2x. Y square minus x square minus 2xy into dy by dx is equal to 0, which is the required differential equation. 15th question. The order and degree of the differential equation is 1 plus 3 into dy by dx whole to the power 2 is equal to 4 cube into d cube y by dx cube. So the order and the degree is 3, 3.